Hello everybody, my name is Jane and I'm going to be teaching you how to fortify your infant's breast milk. So if you're here today, it's because your child will be going home with fortified breast milk. We're going to go over why we're fortifying the breast milk and then show you the steps how to do it and how to best store it. Okay. Fortification is the process of adding nutrients to express breast milk in order to increase the calorie content or the nutritional concentration of your child's breast milk. Breast milk has many positive effects. It's shown to lower risk of necrotizing enterocolitis, which is an infection in the intestines, sepsis, reduces illness stay in hospitals, and premature babies are just better able to tolerate breast milk. Breast milk at its base is roughly 20 calories per ounce, so what we want to do today is learn how to increase it to 22 calories. There's also another course about how to increase it to 24 calories. Fortified breast milk also helps with weight gain and overall growth of head and length. So these are the two handouts about how to fortify the breast milk. We are going to be using the one on the left-hand side of the screen. Again, how to fortify to breast milk 22. Okay, so what you're going to need, we have our handout here. You're going to need a clean bottle, breast milk, your formula, and a measuring spoon, whether it be a household spoon or a medicine cup. Okay, so first you're going to do is wash your hands. I'm going to just use Purell for right now, but you want to wash your hands, and then you want to wash the top of the can of the formula. I'm going to be using water and flour today in order to not waste any breast milk. Okay, so the measurement is half of a teaspoon of the powdered formula in order to increase to breast milk 22, and you're going to use 60 mLs or 2 ounces of breast milk. So you want to make sure you have the marking on your bottle. I marked it off right here. And so I'm going to have the bottle nice and flat, and I'm going to pour water in up until that line. Okay. And then what you want to do, like I said, you can use a household measuring as long as it's clean, or a medicine cup, either or. And you want to have a nice level bit of powder. You do not want to have it over. So I'm just going to wipe that away and add that right there to my breast milk. And then what you want to do is you want to give it a nice good shake. Make sure there's no powder in there, there's nothing sitting at the bottom. And now you can make this a double batch. What you can do is you can do 120 mLs and a full teaspoon. That is perfectly fine if your child is taking more than 60 mLs or you want to make for the rest of the day. However, once this is made, it's only good for 24 hours in the fridge. So once you make it, what you want to do is you want to label it with the date and time and the fact that it is fortified, just so you don't confuse it with your regular breast milk. You want to heat up only what you're going to use at the time. Anything extra left in the bottle, you need to get rid of once it touches the baby's lips. It's only good for 1 hour. All right? Any other questions at this point?